Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get rid of ads on Facebook. So within Facebook you probably won't be able to hide all of your ads, but there are a couple of tips I can give you to hide specific ads. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how you can get rid of ads on Facebook. So the first thing you can do basically is clicking your profile picture on the top right corner, then clicking Settings and Privacy and Settings. Then in the left sidebar under the Meta Accounts Center, you're gonna click Add Preferences and click Add Preferences under Account Settings again. And now here you will be able to see ad topics. You're gonna click that, and here you can basically choose certain topics that you don't want to see advertisements of. So for example, I can type in laptop because I'm seeing too much laptop advertisements I don't want to see. So I'm gonna click laptop computers, for example, and I click see less because I want to see less of those advertisements. You can also give several categories of advertisements that you don't want to see, and you can also review your topic choices so far by clicking the review topic choices in the bottom. I've already chosen mobile phones. So the next thing you can do is when you are scrolling through your feed and you see an advertisement that you don't want to see more of, you're gonna click the three dots in the top right corner and you're just gonna have to click hide ad, because then Facebook is never gonna show this ad again. So basically on the advertisements that you don't want to see again, you're gonna have to click hide ad. And then you need to choose the specific reason you want to hide this advertisement. I'm going to choose irrelevant and I'm going to just click done. So there's actually a third option you can do to kind of hide all of the ads while scrolling through your feed. And you can do that by clicking on the 9 dots on the top right corner and then clicking feeds. And then in the left sidebar, you're gonna have to choose friends. And then Facebook is only going to show you the feeds of the people who are your friends on Facebook, so you won't be able to see the advertisements. So that's basically kind of a small hack that makes it possible for you to see your feed without advertisements. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.